Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Cryptech and FPS news channel for the cryptocurrencies. I'm Fabio, and let's get started. CoinMarketCap at $321 billion, Bitcoin still over 11K. So, are we having a FOMO? What are your thoughts about it? I think we are. Not 100%. Not just like 2017. I think people are, of course, the people who went in 2017 are not just the same as now, but they are more smarter than before. So we could have just some people that bought in the bottom, $3,200, and of course we're still riding it. And we should have also other people that just coming back when they're seeing Bitcoin at the same price. So for today we have a few articles over here. For example, Google searches for Bitcoin starting to catch up with 10K euphoria. 19% of the world population bought crypto before 2019, Kaspersky report. We have a monumental fight over Facebook cryptocurrency is coming. So for today's video, that's what we're going to talk about. So if we are still here with me, let's just continue. So we have a few projects that I honestly going to admit I do not know, because we have 2,278 cryptocurrencies. So I cannot know everything. So this one over here, I do not know them, but they are doing well, quite well. We have also a few other projects having some numbers, red numbers. The most renowned will be Nano, Verge, the popular who McAfee pumped in 2017, Bitcoin, Zcoin, Cosmos, One Maker. So Bitcoin dominance still holding at the same level. We're not touching still the 60%. Let's see if we touch it before. Let's look at this. I believe we touched it over here. Yeah, 60.38%, made 14. That's huge. So are the money going to altcoin? We are not sure about that. So let's talk about what interesting, because looking at the coin market cap every single second is not healthy. Or maybe you just look your portfolio every single hour. I can do that sometimes when the prices keeps pumping. You see only green numbers. So if it is that, what about giving me a like for the video if you like it? 19% of the world population bought crypto before 2019. Yes, I did that. And I also bought a few months ago. I bought Ontology. Sold some, rebuy it at a lower price, and I'm sticking with it. Also, what other? I bought Ethereum. I bought Ethereum and kinda $130. Not bad. I'm sure I will buy it when it was less than $100. So a new survey from Moscow based on cybersecurity firm Kaspersky introducing on June 17 revealed that 19% of the people globally had purchased cryptocurrency. So we have a graphic over here. 81% have never purchased cryptocurrency. 10% say they fully understand how cryptocurrency work. 35% believe cryptocurrency are a fraud. What is a fraud? Fraud? Let's call it a fraud. 14% of those that are not currently using cryptocurrency would like to do so in the future. So we have people that are interested but are not into cryptocurrency. They do not what they are and what are the objective of the cryptocurrency. They just think this is the new money. But it's not just like that. There are tons and tons of projects behind cryptocurrency. It's just not to make some money. It's like buying Apple on, let's say, when was the iPhone 1 release? 2008? No, 2006, 2005. buying the Apple stock. So right now it's something kind of like it. Well, the Bitcoin is not we can call it a cryptocurrency, but Bitcoin for the most of people is a stored value. So as I said on the video before, if you haven't checked it, at the end of the video you will see it appearing, so I will give you an advice to check it out. 19% of the cryptocurrency users have experienced hacking attacks on exchange. Yeah, I have suffered those. I was on BitGrail, I was on Cryptopia, and basically yes, I lost some funds. It's never good to have the cryptocurrencies over there because you can suffer of these losses. But sometimes if you trade, sometimes when you see the price go parabolic, you have to take some risks, and that's what I did. I take some risk and I suffer from it, but that's not making me quit all the time I invested to get to know the cryptocurrencies. 50% have been victims of cryptocurrency fraud. Yes, I was a victim of cryptocurrency fraud. BitConnect, Laser Online. So who also from here suffered from BitConnect and Laser Online? BitConnect was heavily invested for a lot of crypto users. I don't know if a Laser Online comes to you, but that was also a billion. I think almost 10 billions of scam, an exit scam. Among a major reason why global crypto investors stop using cryptocurrencies is too high volatility. Yes. Well, that also is a risk. It's like gambit. You're going to gambit something. You're going to when you're also go gamble to the soccer game, football, you call it. So it's always a risk. It depends on how much you're risking, how much you can lose about it. Still, there are very good projects on cryptocurrency, and I cannot explain those on a single video. Let's go to another important thing. Google searches for Bitcoin starting to catch up with the 10K euphoria. Data from Google Trends Search Analytics result indicates that internet Googling of Bitcoin BTC is approaching a monthly high as of today, June 24. According to the data, searches for Bitcoin are continuing their ascent in the week after the unveiling of Facebook new cryptocurrency. So, the Facebook cryptocurrency project Libra is not so bad because it's making the people to question about the what are the cryptocurrencies. But Facebook, it doesn't have it easy. So let's jump into the monumental fight over Facebook cryptocurrency is coming. Well, apparently the United States government doesn't want to Facebook continue to construct this great project of the Facebook opinion, Libra, and they even said urgent request that Facebook to cease work on Libra until after hearings are held on how European lawmakers made similar appeals. The important takeaway from this legislators' action is that they are able to make such demands at all, since this is not the case with truly decentralized projects. They do not know what decentralized means. You know what? Something else about Facebook? Facebook new project has a very good security in terms of how to project the projects from itself. Let's be clear, Libra designers have thought deeply about how to protect the project from Facebook itself, both in real sense and that of public perception. In its commitment to decentralization, the team has put the code under an open source license handed to the network of governance authority to a separate Swiss-based foundation, brought in 27 external partners to work alongside Facebook as an independent, permissioned nodes in the network, and verbally committed to transition to a permissionless model over time. There is a structure and roadmap in place for Libra to grow and survive regardless of its genesis as a Facebook project. So if Facebook goes down, Libra will continue to work. Libra will continue to develop it. The government, the central banks do not want this project to go on. even if it could be controlled by some corporate and no longer by government, this new cryptocurrency, we could have the mass adoption that we'll be always being looking for. So with that being said, I will leave you with that information. I hope you find it useful. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you the next one. Goodbye.